She's beautiful. That's a 1942 grill from Ford. Got the original wooden blocks. Original hardware. Coming together, guys. Put new floors, new center console, new toolbox, new other floor, new rockers. Got solid rockers on here. Welded up all new 18-inch gauge steel. Put the new hinges in. The whole back is new. That's all new. Still got a lot to go. Still got a lot of work, but check out that hood, man. I mean, this hinge is mangled, but it's alright. I think she's beautiful. This car is gonna be fucking awesome. Check it out, guys. I mean, you can see it. You can see the beauty. You can see the beauty.